So how this train wagon ended up here? Welcome to 6th episode of NSKLI. I'm in village Strana, northeast from BUZET. It's been a long time, but I don't know what to say. Really.
What the dog doing?
Nobody has anything to say. Today's locations are this abandoned train and Waterfall Sopot. For me, the best place to start was to park my car near really old church Mother God of Health. From here, you're literally 600 meters from both locations. Okay, not literally. Let's go! So how this train wagon ended up here? It was November 22nd in 1975. It rained a lot that day. So at that evening, around 10:30, on-duty railway man checked out the rails because of a possible landslide. But everything was looking fine at that time. Hour and a half after, the stones were on the rails. Train driver tried to brake when he saw them, but it was too late. In impact, passenger train locomotive jumped out of the rails into the chasm deeper than 100 meters. Fortunately, 3 wagons stopped on edge of chasm. All 27 passengers left uninjured. That night, unfortunately, young train driver Silvano Blažević died. Help got there 1 hour later, 5 medical cars and 100 residents for BUZET. Next morning, workers specialized in this kind of work cleaned up the rails, and when they tried to pull up the train locomotive, the crane overturned and stopped on the hillside. So that is why the train locomotive is still here, and I'm glad it is. At some point they are going to dig it out, or nature will eat it over time. Oh, okay. The train locomotive is about 2.7 meters wide, 2.9 meters tall, and 20 meters long. It weighs approximately 10 tons, but now probably less because it's missing a lot of parts. On to the next one. Holy shit. But first, breakfast. Or lunch. I tried to go down from the waterfall just beside him, but you have to find the path which leads to that, and it's really bushy, and it's not so easy to do. so I decided to go all the way around on the road, back on the road, and just find this path here, and I will go here left, and I will put here the map where I go, where did I go. Yeah, that's all. Waterfall Sopot is the second highest waterfall in Istria, with a drop of 30 meters. You have to see it in real life. There is also a climber, but I'm a pass on that, any time of the day. Waterfall Sopot is part of the basin River Mirna. The best time to visit this waterfall and any other waterfall is day after heavy rain. That's all I have for you today. Thank you for watching till the end. Hope you learned something new, and check the links down below if you want to learn more. Make sure to like this video, like this video, subscribe, hit the bell, and I will see you in the next one. Peace! Oh. For me, the best place to start was to park my car near really old church. God damn it. Da li snijam uopće? Yes, I do. Žuljevi. Don't be a fucking bitch. Oh, the train wagon is approximately heck yeah! Thank you, train. Okay.